Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to draft a flare shot. And so this is a unique style that would be a great addition to your wardrobe. So I'm starting by marking out my waist to hip measurement. So the upper part is my waist, then the next one I drew out is my hip waist to hip measurement, and then my waist to crotch, and then waist to full length. So before I marked my waist to full length, I'm ruling out a straight line on the waist, on the hip and the crotch measurements. So what is important now is for especially for beginners. So even if you're not a beginner, this is super important for you to identify easily each line. And then I'm marking out my full length measurement that I mentioned initially. So the thing now is you get to determine how short you want your shorts to be. So you can want like short shorts or just above the knee shorts. And so it's up to you to place your tape rule on your waist and figure out how short you want it to be on your body. Then you can go ahead to put that on your drafting paper. So what I'm doing now on the hip and crotch line is putting out my hip measurements divided by 4. Immediately after, I get a ruler and connect a straight line from my waist to the hip and to the crotch. So, like I've said in all my previous trousers tutorial, it's similar to like drawing your armhole curve. So what I'm doing here on the crotch line is adding 2.5 inches extra to get my crotch curve, and I'm taking my French curve. You can use your free hand to connect it from the hip into the curve that we added on the crotch. The extra measurement put on the crotch is what will be used to get our crotch curve. And once we've gotten that, we will then place our tape rule on the waist to get our waist measurements, including our dart allowances and our sewing allowances. And so you place your ruler at the edge of that straight line that we marked out for the crotch curve. And so you mark out your waist measurement divided by 4, including your dart and your sewing allowance. And whatever it is left at the other edge, you connect into the hip line we drew at the other side. So you have that other curve at the side like I have there. And I go few inches below my crotch line to place my thigh measurements. Now for your thigh measurements, you go divided by 2. So you place your tape around your leg, which is your thigh, and then you get your thigh measurement. Then you divide that into 2 and take your tape rule and place that measurement divided by 2 on your full length. So on that full length, now you place your thigh measurement divided by 2 and take your ruler or your free hand and connect the thigh to the crotch that we drew initially. And so that there is how you initially get your short measurements. Then to get the flare, what you can do is cut straight lines out to be able to open them up a little bit. Now, what you need to understand is the crotch curve is you won't touch that part. The part you will touch is the other side at the other edge. You won't touch this crotch curve that you connected to your full length. So your flare, if you do not want to spread it out like I did here, what you would do is you add about 2, 3, or 4 inches at the other edge and connect it into your hip back to the waistline, exactly like I'm drawing it. So from there, you add inches outside. That's how you get your flare. Do not touch the crotch part. That one is inside. And so this here is how you get your flare shots. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you so very much. Bye.